Hello guys, you are welcome to another episode of Account IT Marg Basic Tutorial, and today we are going to look at Item Master in Marg ELP 9 Plus. We are going to look at how to create item or products. Before you can do sales or any transaction, you have to get your items, especially related to inventory systems. So with Marg not exception, we have to also know how to create items in the system. So kindly share the video, let know your suggestions or your issues under the comment section. Subscribe and also like our video. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications on any other episode we'll be loading. Okay, so we are on our Marg gateway. If you don't know how to get to this place, you can watch our previous tutorial on Marg gateway, and then you know how to go about doing this. So to create item, we have to locate where item master is. So you go to masters, inventory master, and then item master. Okay, I take that again. Masters, inventory master, then item master. So when you come here, you have a list of items here, but because we have not created any item yet, it's blank here. And then you can see that there's a pop up window with white background with some description on it or just on it that says that we should, as it says please use keys F2 create new, F3 modify, and then delete key on your keyboard to also delete any item. So this is just a gist, and it's very easy to go by using these keys. So we want to create new items, and to do so the system is telling us that we should use F2 key on the keyboard. So just press F2 key, and then the window will pop up, says new products. Okay, and we are actually not going to tackle every field. We are going to look at the basic ones that you will need them, because there are many and we cannot cover all of them in one episode. So the first one highlighted is the item, so that is the product. Okay, so products, what name are you going to give to your product? So for me, I will say toothbrush. No, let me use different in grocery. Okay, toothbrush is not bad. Yeah, toothbrush. Yeah, like this. Okay, so if you're also working with barcode, you can scan and then the code will be here for you. Okay, so the first one is the item name, the second one is the barcode. That's if you are using barcode, you can actually scan your code and then it will be filled here. You can also customize the system to generate barcodes for you too. You can also remove that if you don't want, but I am keeping it. Okay, then the next one is to come here. The next important one is the unit. Okay, so how are you selling it? Is it in pieces, in boxes, in strips, in tabs? Relating to pharmaceutical aspect, they will have strips, they will have tabs. In grocery, how is it, pieces or is it in boxes? Okay, then you write a short form of it. So toothbrush, I am going to sell them in pieces, so PCS. If it is box, you just write BOS like this. If it is packs, you can write PCK, or B, you can write PAC. It's just 4-character word, so how you want to put it, you can do it there. So I am going for pieces like this. Okay, and this item, are you going to sell it in decimal form regarding the quantities, like 1.1 or 1.5 or 1/4 or something like that? If that kind of item, with that kind of item, you have to select yes from this select button. Okay, so with toothbrush, I'm not going to do that. If you have a faster way of searching for this item, maybe toothbrush, you have other name for it, or when searching it, the normal name that people will know, or maybe your operators will know, you can also put it there. But actually, I'm not going to have anything like that, so I'm skipping that. If you want to give color to this, you can actually go by that. You can see that we have red, blue, green. This one is not customized. It's in the system. You cannot change the colors. It is just red, blue, green, purple that you have to go by. Okay, so I am going for normal. You can also remove that. Then come here, the company. If you want, like this toothbrush, actually it's for Pepsodent toothbrush I'm talking about. So I want to select that brand name inside here. So to do that, you have to select no from here, or you press N key from the keyboard. Then you get to the company list, and to create a company list too, you can also check our episode on company creation, item company creation or brand creation, and then you do that. So just press F2 from here, and then you give it a name. So mine is going to be Pepsodent, like this. Then I will save it. Okay, so I will select Pepsodent from here, and then I will select group 2 the same way. If you want to know the details of group creation, you can also check our videos, the episode that is group creation, and then find out from there. So Pepsodent, Pepsodent, it's what name or group should I even give? Okay, so let me create a name group and then name it okay, then I'll choose grocery from here. No category. You can also create category. If you want to check our videos too, you can also find it there. Then come to this one, the buying price or the purchase price. Put it here. So how much did you bought this toothbrush, the pieces? How much? Okay, let's say I bought it for 5 cedis. Of course, the system is going to calculate it by itself, so you don't need to put anything there. Then the rates, we have rate A, rate B, rate C, up to rate I. And then this rate just gives you the room for one item to be sold at different prices. So let's say your stockists, you sell this same item for them as 6 cedis. Distributors, maybe the same 5 cedis or 5 cedi 50 pesos for different people. Retailers, maybe 6 cedis, and so forth and so on. So for me, it is just one. So I'm just going to put in the selling price, and I'm going to sell this for 7. Okay, and then we have conversion box and so on. So we will have in-depth tutorials on this, and then every bit of this field will be explained. For now, the main focus of this tutorial is to create item, then to sell. We have in-depth tutorials on that you can also look at for. So you can press tab key from here, or page down key, or Control W to save it. Okay, then you select yes from here. Just press escape, and then your item will be created. So this is our item. Yeah, item list. So if you want to modify any item to, you just press enter or F3 on the selected item, and then you can change whatever you want to change from here. So for instance, I want to change the purchase price to 5 cedis at 50 pesos. Okay, you press Ctrl W, then you save. Okay, the same way, if you want to delete, you select the item, then use the delete key to delete. Then the option will come for you to delete. Select yes or no, but I'm not going to delete it. Okay, so thank you so much. This is a very short tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.